Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha augite mihang'o ya arutwo aria maraingira form 1 ni kururitie muno amu namba ya aria marikitie kuingira mathukuru-ini matiganite ma secondary ni nini muno.
The reporting in schools is still very low. And I have a feeling that some people think they are going to still change schools.
Magoha augite mihang'o eno ihotometio ni aciari kwaga gutwara ciana ciao thukuru guku makimethera thukuru ingi handu ha iria metitwo. Haha Magoha akiruta mukaana kuri arutani anene ya mathukuru ma secondary matige kunyitanira na aciari hari gucenjia ciana thukuru iria metitwo.
And I'm going to give very firm instructions to the school leaders that the issue of changing schools now should stop. The children should go to schools where they have been placed unless there are special circumstances like medical or others that we can palpate.
Magoha augite mubango wa thirikari wa gutigirira arutwo aria othe marekire kigeranio gia KCPE ni maingira mathukuru-ini ma secondary ni ukunyitithio thinga kiambiriria-ini gia kiumia giukite kuria megukorwo makihuthira maabitha thirikari gutigirira gutire mwana uguikara mucii.
Monday, if we are not happy, then we are now going to mop up, as we usually do, so that we shall leave no children. I work with the Ministry of Interior. You can see this gentleman. We are going to mop up. Every child will go to school. That is His Excellency the President's order.
Akinya fara mihang'o eno kaunti-ini ya Nandi thukuru-ini wa Kapsabet, Magoha ni athite arutani anene ya mathukuru ma muthingi na ma secondary gukorwo marikitie kwandikithia arutwo aria mareka igeranio cia grade 6 KCPE na KCSE mwaka uyu ihinda-ini ria kiumia kimwe.
They must register and complete the registration within the next 1 week, because this is a very short year indeed, and like I said before, we want to leave and hand over to the next government when everything is in order. I think it is proper to do so for our children. So I have noticed that very many people have not done the registration. We are well below 50%. Let us emulate the example of Kapsabet Boys High School, where they have confirmed to me that they have registered 100%.
Na niguo gutigirira gutire murutwo watigwo na thutha hari mathomo make, Magoha ni athite arutani anene ya mathukuru matikae kuingata arutwo ni undu wa wagi wa bithi.
Any child that gets to the school should be taken. This gentleman is from Turkana. I think he was brought by his parents. He was welcomed, and we shall make sure that he gets scholarships in order to go on.
We want to work very quickly to identify those who are extremely poor. For the parents who don't have enough money, send your child with the money that you have as you look for the rest of the money.
Na waciari makiurio kuriha bithi na kiria mundu ari nakio na makorwo makiaraniria na arutani ya mathukuru uria maririhaga mbeca icio ingi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muirore.